What's up, my dudes? I'm Rachel and I got a new tattoo. Look at how cute that is. So today's video is on my recent purchase from Ace Beaute, is how I believe it's pronounced. I bought a brush from them. Look at how fancy this box is. It's like magnetic closure, and then open it up and look at how fancy this brush is. This brush, it's got a light plastic handle. So it doesn't like feel super expensive, but then it's not like heavy either. So you're not like weighing down your arm when you're using it, but this thing works like a frickin' dream. I normally apply my foundation with a brush and then I go over it with my beauty blender. This bad boy, all I do is I just swipe on my foundation with it, and I don't have to touch it with my beauty blender. The only time I touch my beauty blender after that is to blend in my concealer and stuff. So this one is the G06 from Ace Beaute. Love that. But the thing that we are here for, because I'm not just gonna like, cut off the video there and be like, bye, is the Oceanic palette by Ace Beaute. There we go. Look at all those beautiful greens and blues in there. I'm so excited. So if you want to see a snazzy little look out of this yummy little palette, you better keep watching. I have not planned out what I'm gonna do, but like, hey, that's nothing unusual. There are so many good shades in here, I just don't even know. I just want to use all of them. Do I want to do green, or do I want to do blue, or do I want to do both? I'm going to dive right into my crease. I'm going to use the shade Blue Clam right here. This really bright blue right here. And use a different brush. We're going to put that all across the crease. I think that went on really beautifully, actually. I am here for it. Next, I'm gonna go in with Lagoon. That's this navy in the corner here. And I'm just putting that on the outsides, the outer corners. Go in with Fiji as a transition shade. That's that nice mint green color. All right, yeah, let's leave it like this, unblended. Now we're gonna take our blending brush and blend that all together. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with a little Shape Tape concealer. Next, I'm gonna go in with Mykonos. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm probably very wrong. But that one. Mint green shimmer. I'm gonna spray down my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm just putting that like towards the inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna lay down some Bay, this one. Just right in that space between Mykonos and the darker stuff in the crease shade there. And then I'm going to dip into Bora Bora to blend those two together. And then lastly, I'm dipping into Blue Clam. No, I'm dipping into Marina to blend all these shimmers into that crease shade. That, my friends, is how you get every single blue shimmer into the same look. Now, I think I'm going to do greens underneath my eye. So I think what I'm going to start with is I'm going to dip into Algae. That's this neon shade, and I'm going to put that like on my inner corner. I think I'm also going to use Algae on my waterline. Okay, and then I'm going to use Seagrass. That's that shade there. And I'm going to tuck that still towards the inner corner, like the inner third of my eye. Next I'm going to take Turtle. Yeah, Turtle, that's that green shade right smack dab in the middle of the palette. And I'm going to do sort of the middle third of under my eye. I think powder on the waterline is not particularly comfortable. We're going to do Pacific next, that's in that corner there. We're going to do the outer third, blending it into Lagoon. Okay, and there we have it. I have used a good chunk of the shades in this palette. proud of myself here. So here's all those shadows on my eyes. I hope you can see that gradient, and it's not looking like that neon green is coming through very well. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with some black liner. I'm gonna use my Tarte. I'm gonna use my Superfan mascara by Smashbox. Right, for lips, I'm gonna go in with a shade that I have had for a long while now. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Feeling Myself. It's a pretty peachy shade. Love like peaches and corals for like blues. I just think it's so just darling. Here's that finished look. Make sure you click here to check out my video on another green and blue and teal sort of look that I have done before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. See you in the next one.